I had to take my rooster to the vet because he was suddenly listless, and he's been there for a week, so I'm going to reunite him with his wife. No. Stay. Yeah, he's a lot better now. The vet said she didn't know what it was, but it could be that he didn't like the new food, the pellet food I was giving him, and just decided to not eat and starve himself to death. Uh-oh. Gosh, I hope he's okay. I'm so paranoid. I've had 4 chickens, 2 have died. That one got her breast skin ripped open, and they called her the miracle chicken. Let's see, is he walking okay? Yeah, I think so. Thank goodness. Aren't they going to have a reunion? I hope he's walking okay. Maybe it's because he's been in a cage all week. Hopefully that's the reason. Oh gosh, I hope that's the reason. I hope that's the reason you're not walking right. Hey. I think I might carry him over to his coop because he's labored in his walking. I hope that is normal. Okay. Maybe his legs are weak. He seems fatter. Okay, I hope he's okay. I'm so paranoid now. Okay, bye.